Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the song from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at a crossroad. I'm not at home in my own home, and I've tried and tried to say what's on my mind, and you should have known. No, I don't believe in you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I follow the voice you gave to me, but now I've gotta find my own, and you should have listened. There is someone here inside, someone I thought that died so long ago. Oh, I'm screaming out, and my dreams will be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own.